Welcome to Cosmic Captures. My name is Tim. I'm back after some traveling, exploring the night sky, and doing a bit of astrophotography consulting work. While I'm still developing a new format for my monthly cosmic highlight videos, I want to make sure that you can still make the most of your clear nights. So in this video, I will show you some of the most rewarding astrophotography targets for October. As always, you will find all the details on my website cosmiccaptures.com. Just look for Cosmic Highlights and navigate to October 2025. This month, I'm trying something new by following a theme called Our Galactic Neighborhood. And that means I'll be focusing on the members of the local group that are perfectly placed in the sky right now. The local group is a family of around 80 galaxies bound together by gravity, moving together through space. It includes our own galaxy, the Milky Way, the Andromeda galaxy M31, and the Triangulum galaxy M33, along with dozens of smaller dwarf galaxies within about 4 million light years. But before we look at individual targets, you can also download the Cosmic Astrophotography Planner as a free PDF that includes recommended exposure times, filter choices, smart telescope suitability, and much more for each target. But now, let's take a closer look at this month's deep sky targets. Our own galaxy is the second largest in the local group. But we can only photograph it from within, that faint band of light stretching across the night sky. But we can capture the Andromeda galaxy, or M31, the closest spiral galaxy to our own and the largest member of the local group. Spanning more than 220,000 light years, it dwarfs the Milky Way and is visible to the naked eye under dark skies as a faint elongated smudge. Through astrophotography, however, it transforms into one of the most striking vistas of our night sky. A beautiful spiral galaxy revealing star clouds, dark dust lanes, glowing regions of star formation, and its two companions, M32 and M110, which orbit nearby like satellites in a mini galaxy system. It's a rewarding target for almost any setup and skill level. And you will find more information about how to photograph it on my website. But before we move to the next target, here's a fun fact about M31. In about 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are expected to merge, reshaping our galactic neighborhood entirely. I bet it's going to be an incredible sight, though unfortunately none of us will be around to see it. The next member of the local group is M33, the Triangulum galaxy. It's smaller than Andromeda but gives us a beautiful, slightly tilted view into its spiral structure, filled with star-forming regions and glowing nebulae. It's a fantastic target for medium focal lengths and reveals even more when you add H-alpha or other narrowband data. If you're looking for something more exotic and rarely photographed, try IC 1613. It's a faint, irregular dwarf galaxy at the edge of the local group. Its diffuse light demands long exposures under dark skies, and adding H-alpha can reveal tiny regions of star formation hidden within its glow. If you have a longer focal length setup and dark, clear skies, go for it. Now it's time we leave the northern skies behind and head south. The Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC, is the Milky Way's brightest satellite galaxy and one of the standout members of the local group. It spans more than 10 degrees of sky and overflows with nebulae, star clusters and supernova remnants. Even a simple wide-field lens can capture its irregular shape, while deeper integrations reveal incredible detail from massive nebulae to dusty star-forming regions across its irregular shape. The next target is something truly special. If you've ever wanted to photograph a nebula in another galaxy in great detail, this is your best chance. The Tarantula Nebula, the crown jewel of the Large Magellanic Cloud, is an immense star-forming region over 1,000 light-years across. It outshines the Orion Nebula by far, and shines so brightly that if it were as close as Orion, it would cast visible shadows on Earth. Its turbulent filaments are shaped by fierce stellar winds from a massive star cluster at its core, and surrounded by glowing nebulae and remnants of ancient supernovae. And now to our final deep sky target, the small Magellanic Cloud. The SMC is a dwarf irregular galaxy and the smaller companion to the LMC. Despite its modest size, it holds billions of stars, young clusters and glowing nebulae. It's one of our nearest galactic neighbors and an important member of the local group. And for astrophotographers, it's a beautiful wide field target. You will find all the details and imaging tips for capturing the SMC, along with information for all the other October targets on my website. If you want to plan your imaging sessions around moonlight, you will find the most important lunar phases and the updated Moonlight Astrophotographer Planner or map on my website. It shows the best moonless window for deep sky and nightscape photography throughout the month. But now, let's look at some of the other highlights in October. The Orionid meteor shower peaks on October 21st to 22nd, with up to 20 meteors per hour under dark skies. Originating from Halley's comet, these fast, bright meteors will be perfectly timed with the new moon, offering ideal conditions before dawn. If you are into nightscape photography, October offers a rare overlap between the summer and winter Milky Way, a chance to capture both in a single night. In the southern hemisphere, galaxy season begins and the Magellanic Clouds rise beautifully for wide field compositions. And last but not least, this month is unusually rich in comet activity, with two promising objects, Comet C2025A6 Lemon and Comet C2025 R2 Swan, both well placed for imaging and visible in binoculars. And since comets are famously unpredictable, who knows, we might even get the chance to see one with the naked eye. That's it for the October Cosmic Highlights. I'll be sharing more videos again soon, from short guides to deeper stories about what drives us to keep looking up. If you'd like to follow along, make sure to subscribe and explore the resources at cosmiccaptures.com. And now, don't just watch, go and explore the local group.